Hey there, and welcome back. Today we're going to be working on the purple XJ instead of the 64 C10. Going to start putting the engine and transmission transfer case back in. First of all, we're going to take a quick walk around, show you what I've got done so far. It was started its life as a two-wheel drive 2001 XJ, and I'm converting it to four-wheel drive, as you can probably see back there. So like I said, this is a 2001 Jeep XJ. Starts life as two-wheel drive. Had an extra axle laying around, so converting it to four-wheel drive. So far, got a 6.5-inch iron rock off-road long arm suspension under it. Put that in actually a few months ago. This is not a real quick project getting done. Beautiful purple paint job was on it when I bought it. Wasn't my preferred color, but it's not too bad. Not till I paint it myself. Figure what the heck, might as well learn how to do that sometime. What better vehicle to try it on than this? So the interior is actually in pretty decent shape. I ripped out all the interior, cleaned it all up, put sound deadening mat all through the floor from front to rear. Have the sound deadening mat in the ceiling, front to rear. I have the headliner up in my loft, ready to put in when I'm ready for that. I forget how many miles this has. Less than 200,000, 160 some thousand, I believe. I also have the full overhead console from the, I think it's the Classic that has that. It has the temperature, compass, sunglass holder, and all that good stuff, which nowadays is very common, but back then, especially in this kind of Jeep, it was kind of a specialty item. And I got crap all over in the rear seat right now. It's under construction. So these tires and wheels actually came off a different Jeep that I had. Gonna run these wheels for a little bit, probably. These tires are just 31 1050s. I have a set of 35 1250s I'm gonna throw on it for a while, until I figure out if I wanted to stick with 35s or go to 37s. You know, the body's actually in pretty decent shape. Few little dings, but no dents, no rust at all, which is really nice. And the purple doesn't look absolutely terrible. So under the hood, as you can see, there's nothing there right now. So we're going to work on putting this in there today. This came out of yet another Jeep XJ. Had right around 120,000 miles. Ran great. Shifted great. Has a 242 transfer case. I will not be using that. I have my 231 transfer case with slip yoke eliminator that I installed a few months ago. Ready to go in. It'll bolt right up. So, nothing else to do but to get started. So I think because the weight the transfer case adds to the back of the transmission, I will probably put it on after the transmission's installed. So take this cross member out and get everything ready to go. We got the drivetrain installed. Wasn't too bad. Made a hell of a mess down here. I'll be cleaning that up. But everything went in fairly well. Still have a ways to go before it'll be running. Appreciate everybody that watched till the end. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.